Hello students, hope you all are doing well at home. In the last video we have seen some functions, formulas in MS Excel, and I told you that we will see more tools available in Excel in the next video. So here I am with new tools available in Excel. Today we are going to learn filter and conditional formatting in Excel. We will also do the revision of if function because I know it is difficult to understand in one go. So we will do the revision of if function also. Let's start with the activity given to you. You must have seen this table given in your activity. You have to create this table in MS Excel. The same table I have already created. You can see here. Okay. Let's start with the questions given below the table. The first question is, after creating table, find out incentive percentage using if function. Give 10% incentive if a sale is more than 50,000, else give 5% incentive. Okay, can you guess what you need to apply here? It is already given actually if function, but how you can say you have to use if function? As I explained you in the last video also, whenever you have to give something or whenever you have to print something based on a condition, you need to use if function, right? Here you will give 10% incentive if sale is more than 50,000. This is your condition, right? So if it is a condition, what is your true value? 10 is your true value, and what is your false value? 5 is your false value. Okay, so let's start it. Click on the cell wherever you want answer, for whenever you want to apply the formula. Okay, here we will click start your formula with equals to sign. Okay, now the function name is if, and put bracket. Inside the bracket you have to write arguments, and here you can see tooltip. You need to write 3 parts: logical test, value if true, and value if false. Your condition is if cell is more than 50,000, so we have to click this cell and the cell address automatically came, right? You can see D4. Then put greater than sign and you will write 50,000 here because this condition is given in our question. Put comma to separate that part. If this condition is true, how much you want to give incentive? You want to give 10% incentive, right? So here you will have to write 10, comma, if this condition is false, you have to give 5% incentive. So put 5 here. Notice one thing. Here I have written numeric value. That's why I have not used double quotation mark. As I explained you in the last video, if you are writing string value or alphabetical value, then only you will write it in double quotation mark. If you are using numeric value, you will not write it in double quotation mark. Close the bracket and press enter. Can you see the answer? It is showing 10 because the cell is greater than 50,000. If you want to apply the same formula, you just have to copy the formula by dragging the cell. Got it? Now, what is the next question? Second question is, also write formula to find out incentive rupees of their cells. Which means here we got incentive in percentage, but we have to find out incentive in rupees also. So what is the formula to find out incentive in rupees? You will have to select the cell where sales is written. Okay, start your formula with equals to sign. Then you have to select cell of the person. Then multiply by incentive percentage. It is in this cell. So select it and cell address will automatically came. Here you can see I am writing the formula sales multiply by incentive percentage divided by 100. Press enter and you can see this incentive rupees. If you want to apply same formula, just drag the cell and you got the answer for each employee. Got it? Okay. What is the next question? Next question is, find out total pay of each employee in total pay column. Okay, tell me what should be the total pay? we need to add salary and incentive rupees to find out total pay. Okay, so the formula would be equals to sign, select salary cell, select incentive rupees cell, select salary cell plus incentive rupees cell, because if you want to find out total pay you need to add salary and incentive. Press enter and you can see 25,500. So this employee Ekta Shah will get salary 20,000 plus incentive 5,500. So total Ekta Shah will get 25,500. Just drag the cell to get answer for all the employee. And here you can see you got the answer. Okay. What is the next question? Next is highlight an employee record whose sale is greater than 50,000. Now, this is the new topic. If you want to highlight something, right, you need to add conditional formatting. Whenever you are going to highlight something, okay, based on condition, here this is the condition, you need to use conditional formatting tool available in MS Excel. So tell me, what is the condition here? Sales is greater than 50,000. This is our condition. So we need to select sales column first. Here I will select the cell range of cells. Understood? Now to perform this operation we need to use conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is available in Home tab and Styles group. You all know what are the tabs? Home, Insert, Page Layout, these all are the tabs. So Home tab and Styles group, these are the groups. Find out where is Styles group? Here it is. Here you will get conditional formatting tool. Click on it. You will see one menu appear on your screen. Here you need to select highlight cells rules, because we are going to highlight our cells, okay, based on some conditions. So click. Whenever you will click on it, you will see sub menu gets appear which shows all the conditions. And our condition is greater than 50,000. So we need greater than condition. We need to choose condition here. So we will choose greater than here as per our question. Okay. So click greater than. Greater than what? In the first box. Here in this dialog box you can see two boxes are there. In the first box you need to mention value. Greater than what? You need to specify value here. So here I will specify 50,000. And next box you can see one button is given. When you click on it you will see list, drop down list available. These all are the formatting option. Whether you want light red field with dark red text or yellow, means here you just have to select the color you want to give or the color with which you want to highlight yourself. Okay, so I will simply choose this light red field with dark red text. Click on it and click on OK button, and you can see all the records of the cells which are more than 50,000 are highlighted. Am I right? So this is how you can highlight the cell. This is how you can apply conditional formatting in your Excel. What is the next question? Now last question is display only those records whose total pay is less than 40,000. Again, this is new question. Now here you are going to display records based on this condition, and it is mentioned display only those records. Okay, so the records whose total pay is more than 40,000, what you will do with that records? Are you going to delete those records? No, we cannot delete it, otherwise we will lose the data. So what if you want to perform this kind of operation? So whenever you want to print, whenever you want to display some record range based on a condition, you will use filter. You are going to filter the records whose total pay is less than 40,000. So you will have to apply filter here. How we can do that? First of all, we need to apply filter here in total pay. So click on that heading, total pay. Okay, then filter is available in data tab. So click on data tab. In sort and filter group, you will see filter command. So click on filter. Okay, notice one arrow with all the headings, correct? Here you can see this arrow. We need to click on this arrow. Okay, now at the bottom you can see all the values available which is there in your worksheet. You can randomly select those value by clicking on this checkbox, and if you want to give condition like our question, it is given less than 40,000 record you want. Here we have very less records, we have only 5 records, so we can select it from here, manually select it. But what if you have 100 records? Then this job will be hectic for you. So the simplest way is, what you can do, just click on number filter. Okay, then you can go to custom filter, right? If we have two condition, you can give two condition here. First condition you need to give here is less than what we want, less than 40,000 we want, right? So simply type 40,000 in this box. Okay, if you have another condition, in our question we have only one condition, so we will specify this only. But if you have another condition, you can write it here in the second box. But right now we have only one condition, so I have given that condition here. Then click on OK. Okay, can you see it is displaying only the records whose total pay is less than 40,000, right? Without deleting other records. So that data is still there. We have not deleted those records. It is there. We have just filtered our record. I hope you are clear with this filter. Now what if I want to see all the data back? If I want to get my all data back, after the filter command you can see clear command available next to it. If you will click on clear command, you will see your data back on your screen. Understood? I hope you are clear with these formulas: incentive percentage, incentive rupees, and total pay. Hope you are clear with this conditional formatting and filter.